What we got here is a Haulmark Passport 6x12 enclosed cargo trailer. This model has a rear ramp on it. V-nose comes standard. Drop down the rear ramp. It's spring assist. Also has a ramp extension. Six tall inside height. LED lights all the way around. Nice little escape door. Has rope rings, 2 on either side. Square tubing roof. Square tubing cross members on the roof. Single piece aluminum roof as well. 16-inch on center cross members on the side floor, and then 24-inch on the roof. This trailer is super lightweight and easy to haul. And they come at a fantastic price.